Hello students! So we're going to finish up with chapter 1 today by going over the last section, 1.5, on problem solving. So we have basically one goal for this section, and that's just to look at some strategies for problem solving. So while studying statics, you're going to learn problem solving procedures that you can use not only in this class, but in other classes as well. So even though different types of problems require different approaches, the following strategies we're going to just go over apply to a variety of problems. All right, so here's our strategies. Read the problem very carefully. And when you're doing that, you want to identify the information that's given and identify the information that you have to determine. And then we have rewrite. I know we don't always do this step, but rewriting the problem in your own words can help you understand the problem. Draw. So you want to draw or sketch a figure or diagram if you can, if it pertains to the problem. And we're actually going to draw a lot of what's called free body diagrams in statics. So they're going to look something like this. So we will be doing a lot of drawing in this course. Equations, so you're going to develop equations needed for the problem and make sure that your equations are dimensionally homogeneous. All right, and then this is a type of equation we'll look at later. And solve your equation. And when you do that, when you get your answer, make sure you include units. And then the last strategy is intuition. This is something I like to call math intuition, and basically just use your common sense to determine if your answer is reasonable. All right, how to get good at statics? So the most effective way to learn the principles of engineering mechanics is to solve problems. So in other words, do your homework. There's no substitute for actually working through homework problems. And I'm going to finish this section by saying that there aren't any homework problems, but we'll use these strategies in the next chapter, chapter 2. Thanks for listening.